अस्सलाम वालेकुम मिस। अस्सलाम वालेकुम टीचर। अस्सलाम वालेकुम मिस।
Okay, Fahad, do recitation बेटे. Aisha Ilyas, बेटे do log in with your own name.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. قل أعوذ برب الناس ملك الناس إله الناس من شر الوسواس الخناس الذي يوسوس في صدور الناس من الجنة والناس. صدق الله.
Okay, Sadaqallahu Azim. Very few students join the class today. Only 4 or 5. Let more students join the class. I will start it with it. Five are here, na? Okay.
Assalamu alaikum teacher.
Walaikum salam. Please open the literature copy.
Okay miss.
Do open your literature copy. Zafa is joining us. Last time we have written about the characters. Very
Yes.
good. Excellent work, Bete Zainab. Zainab, show it to everyone. Everyone watch carefully. What Zainab is showing. Very neat and tidy work. Look at that. Show the title page, Zainab, Bete. Very good. Excellent work, Shamir, Ahmad. Fahad, where is the work? Where is your copy? Zafa, show me your work. Fahad, show me your work. Very good, Zainab. Excellent job. Now put down, Bete. Fahad, your literature copy, please. And Uzaifa, you as well, Bete, open the literature copy. Look at the work, what Zainab is showing. Today we will do more classwork. So open the literature copy. Bete, daily you submit the learn excuse. Daily. Last time you said the same thing about the language work. Why, Bete? Aisha Ilyas, please open video. Zainab is joining again. Now, Fahad, you should leave pages and start the today's classwork. Now look at that, everyone. After the characters, do this work. Parts of speech synonym you will find by yourself. Quickly, waited. Take out dictionary and start finding it. Everyone should do a literature copy right now. Please. Fahad, the classwork should be done in the copy. We'll try to join the class on time. Do this classwork, everyone. Haunted means summoning, staying around, affecting something, or hang at. ठीक है ना? Strange means अजीबो-गरीब, unusual. Noun stain means धब्बा spot को बोलते हैं. Foolish, the act that is not good. Stupid act, you can say. A nonsense act or a stupid act. This is today's classwork, what we are doing right now. If you don't understand any vocabulary, do let me know, please. Awful, nasty, dirty, गंदा सा जिसे कहते हैं ना, बुरा सा, spilled फैल जाना, फैला हुआ होना, बिखर जाना, fainted बेहोश होना. Fainted or unconscious. When are we unconscious? जब हम बेहोश होते हैं या अपने सेंस में नहीं होते. trouble, worries. परेशानी, disappear, vanish, गायब हो जाना. Curious, तजस्सुस होना, किसी बात को पता करने का, desire to know something. Are you writing, everyone? After a long time, who is this? The new student? Fahad, what are you doing right now? Be attentive and complete the work. Done? Are you all doing it right now with me? Ahmed Afzal Parwa, open video. Fatma Mateen Ali Ahmed, open video. Open video and show the copy. Aurelia, show me copy. What are you doing right now? Show me literature copy right now. जी बेटे, आयशा इलियास.
Sir, please screen share.
जी बेटा, I'm doing it. Let me check the students now. Aurelia bete, what are you doing right now? Show the classwork. Ahmed Afzal, open video. Show me classwork. Very good, Aisha bete. Excellent job. I'm really removing those students who are not working right now. Earlier your work is not visible. Make it closer to show me. What are you doing right now? As all students are showing the work and it is visible, show me in the manner. Ahmed Afzal, I am removing you. You are not showing the work properly. Very good, Zainab. Still not clear, bete. Ahmed Afzal, open the video. Farwa, open the video. Please do classwork in class. This is today's classwork and I'm writing assignment over here. Okay. The vocabularies that are given above, you have to make sentence of any 5. This is your English assignment, today's assignment. How will you make sentence? Look at that. In this manner, you will do sentences. Any 5 word you will select and you will make sentence in this manner. Meaning you will write. You will not write this synonym, but I have written. Fine. The meaning you will write whatever you understand. ठीक है बेटे? This 5 I have selected of my own. Now you will select whatever you wish to select. Very good. Very good, bete Ammar. In this manner, you have to do after vocabulary the next page. Everyone take a screenshot. Please take a screenshot. Done? Okay, now I'm moving forward. I am making you understand the story. Quickly pen down. Done? Page 4, 5, 6 was your homework. Page 4. Ji bete Aisha, you wish to say something? Ji Wafa bete. Wafa, you wish to ask something?
Yes.
जी बेटे
टीचर ये जो आप टीचर ये काम हमें लिटरेचर कॉपी में करना था ना
जी बेटे it's literature work. I told you ना in the start.
और टीचर आपने तो काम वोकैबुलरी का कुछ न्यू वोकैबुलरी का करवाया था क्लास वर्क और होमवर्क उसके बाद ये वाला करना है
बेटे we did not do vocabulary. The last work were characters ना. Characters to be introduced in the literature copy. In the last class, we did characters. Clear, बेटे?
तो टीचर हमें ये काम उसके बाद
जी, after that.
Yes.
Now do in the same manner as I am doing it. and you have to frame sentences. This is your assignment. Am I clear to everyone?
Yes.
Now I'm moving forward. Please listen carefully the story. Open the Canterville goals. जी बेटे, use zoom option नाम मार्क. जी पूछें.
मिस आपने होमवर्क जो दिया था ना 4, 5, 6 रीड करने के लिए वो मैंने कर ली.
Very good. I'll be asking question. I will understand. I'll make you understand more.
Okay.
Done? Shall I stop sharing it? Everyone done? Show me thumbs up. All I have done, show me thumbs up. Fahad, now you will do by yourself. I will share in WhatsApp group. Because we have to finish the story as well. Kirat is joining now. Aima is joining now very late. So I cannot. Okay. Page number 4. The ghost appeared. We did explanation till here and I have given you page 4. The ghost must have made the stain come back. From here, who have read it? Who will explain this chapter now? Quickly. Ahmad, you have read now. Start kare beti. Completely sum up. Page number 4. What did you read? Quickly, beti, what did you read? Now, where did he go? Okay. Anyone else read the story? I'm a beti, why are you joining too late? We already had done the classwork, beti. Try to be punctual, my dear. Okay, Zainab, you start. Page 4 explanation. Did you read? Raise the hand who have read the story. Okay, only Hamad, Wafa and Asha, you did not read. Why, bete? Ji Kirat, have you read? Ji Kirat.
Teacher.
Ji teacher.
टीचर मेरे पास बुक ही नहीं है.
बेटे I have shared pages. WhatsApp group में मैंने pages share किए थे. There was no need of the book. मैंने तो group पे share किया था सब कुछ. Why are you submitting the lame excuses? Ji Wafa, what did you read? Bete explain. Page 4, 5, 6. Ji bete Wafa. Wafa is explaining page 4, 5, 6. Listen carefully. Wafa, speak up, bete.
That night, that night they all sleep at 4, no, at 11 o'clock, and then when after 11 passed, the lights were off.
Fahad,
And then
Fahad,
and then Mr.
Sit properly and listen it. Aurelia, open the video. Kirat, open the video. Otherwise, I'm removing you from my class. Fahad, Aurelia, and Kirat, open the video. Sit properly. Otherwise, I'm removing you. You don't take part in the class and you are doing something else.
Then Mr. Otis woke up by curious noises in a corridor.
Okay, done.
Like pieces of and sound like pieces of metal hitting one another.
Okay, very good. Then what happened next?
he woke and then he woke up and
Okay, now Papa, very good. Fahad, now you continue it more. What did the twins do? Do let me know what did you are sleeping right now, no? Do let me know. Unmute yourself, Fahad. Unmute yourself, Fahad. अनम्यूट कीजिए. Fahad, unmute yourself. Very bad, bete. You did the recitation and the mic was completely fine. So unmute yourself. Okay. I'm continuing from page 4. Listen it carefully. I'll be sharing in the WhatsApp group as well all the pages, whatever I'm giving in assignment or daily we are doing it. Am I clear, everyone? Is this clear to everyone? Please thumbs up. We have only 4 or 3 minutes. Okay. The ghost must have made the stain come back. He rubbed out the stain a second time, but the second morning it appeared again. The stain was coming again and again. The library had been locked up all night, by Mr. Otis himself. Who locked the library? Mr. Otis by himself locked the library, but the stain was again and again changes over there. Now the whole family became quite interested in knowing that whosoever is doing so. That night that all went to bed at 11 o'clock and by 11:30, all lights were out. Some time later, Mr. Olmos was woken up by curious noises. Very strange noises were coming from somewhere, from the corridor, from outside his room. It sounded like piece of metal hitting. जैसे कोई होता है लोहे का या कुछ ऐसी चीज कोई टकरा रहा हो, ऐसी आवाजें आ रही. It seemed to be coming nearer every moment. जैसे चेन की खरंकने की आवाज, and it sound like that it's coming to you, जैसे आपके पास आ रही हो. He got up at once, struck at match and looked at his watch. उसने अपनी घड़ी को देखा. It was exactly 1 o'clock. Time क्या था? It was 1 o'clock. The train was still continued. वो जो आवाज थी still continued थी. And with it he heard the sound of footsteps. उसके साथ इसने सुने किसकी आवाज? फुटस्टेप, कदमों की आवाज. फुटस्टेप बोलते हैं कदम जो आप लेते हैं उनके स्टेप्स की आवाज है. He put on his shoes, took a small bottle out of his case and opened the door. A small bottle he took out from the case and he opened. Right in front of him he saw in the pale moonlight a terrible old man. Whom did he see? A terrible old man. Uski eyes, he was having red eyes as burning as fire. It is simile over here. Long gray hair he was having fell over his shoulders, जो उसके shoulders पे कांधों पे गिरे हुए थे. ग्रे कलर के उसके बाल थे और उसके कांधों पे गिरे हुए थे. Clothes which were very old fashioned clothes, बहुत पुराने जमाने की फैशन के कपड़े उसने पहने हुए थे. Was very ragged and dirty. बहुत nasty थे, बहुत गंदे से. And the chain was hanging his ankle, कलाइयों में और इसकी ankles में chain लटकी हुई थी. I'm stopping over here because the class time is over, bete. We have few seconds. Clear? So again I'm giving you the same pages to read again and complete the sentences. Am I clear, everyone? I hope this lecture is clear to all of you. The vocabulary, if you did not get it, please ask me right now. Did you understand all the words? Page 4. Correct. Aima, did you understand the story? I'll be sharing page till 10 to you, and I want everyone to read till page 10. Clear? Is this clear?
Yes,
Okay.
miss.
Very good. So the class time ended, my dear. Have a good day ahead. Do complete the copy work of both the copies, literature and language. Otherwise, I'll be cutting your marks. Fahad, especially those who are not doing the copy work. Allah Hafiz everyone. Have a good day. Allah